again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one, DBL Nicks.
In the house.
A.K.A.
The Ringmaker.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. And it's not a party unless you have the one and only bushy-tail Serengeti specialist in the Serengeti, searching and hunting down stonks, parabolic stonks, for the indelible pride. The one, the only, DBL Moms!
Hey!
Oh my, oh my. We have DBL Moms in the house. Now it's a party. Now it's a party. All right, all right, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and do what this young man says. Por favor.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Because sharing is caring, folks. Sharing is caring. It really, truly is. Doubles. Yeah. Sharing is caring. Yeah. Bobo, welcome. Welcome, Bobo. All right. If you're not following us on Twitch, it's at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And, of course, we're monitoring the entire microcap market from 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, it's all on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. Go ahead and follow if you're not following. Make sure you follow. There you go. There you go. And, of course, we've got Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And then we've got TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks. And, of course, the screen name is Coach Nick Money. We'll be live streaming, as always, on social media. And then at 9:25 Eastern Standard Time, we're going to take the live stream over to our private Discord. So you can go ahead and do a 4-day trial for just $1.99. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. And of course, you'll also have early access to all of our parabolic runners that we alert in the Discord. Like this morning, PEGY, PEGY 79%, TOVX 60%, MLGO 52%, WHLR 61%. All of them alerted to the private Discord members before they went parabolic. Let's go, baby. So today we're looking at ELAB, ELAB, float 8.5 million. It's a 14-cent stock. Volume, oh my, 115 million. And they got a little bit of news. They're up 61% right now. Elvi Bioscience, a subsidiary of Elvi Labs, Inc., expands patent portfolio with 2 new filings for EL22 in muscle loss treatment for obese patients, including GLP-1 receptor agonist combination. 7:30 news. But you can see doubles. You see what I see, doubles?
What do you see?
It formed the head and shoulders.
Oh.
It formed the head and shoulders. Now, can it do a descending wedge? I mean, maybe. Maybe a little descending wedge action. Could it be? We'll come back and check you out and see if you form the old descending wedge. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a show. We're not financial or stock advisors, and this is not to be taken as stock or financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So, let's take a look at some other tickeroos. We've got, I don't know, RZLV, right? RZLV. What's the story? It looked like it popped, and now it's dropping. Microsoft and Resolve, AI partner to drive global retail innovation with AI-powered commerce solutions, 8:30 in the morning, but the float is on the heavy side. 45 million, unforgivable at a price of $9.26. Unforgivable, I tell you. Volume only 317,000. It's up 35%, but it's heavy, and obviously it's not holding its price. So, RZLV, no, not appetizing at all. Let's go to Peggy Sue. Peggy. Peggy's formed a triple top. No, 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 no. We got a top over here, another top over there, and then we got another top over there, and then you get the old flusheroo when you have a situation like that. So you got a flusheroo off of a triple top. It is a 16-cent stock, up 43%. Float 7.8 million. Volume 90 million. They have a proxy statement as of September 30th. That was the latest news, but you could see it pumped, and now it's dumping. So no. HKD is an interesting stock. This one went up like a gazillion percent way back a couple of years ago. Let's go to a longer time frame, doubles. Let's go into a longer time frame. You could see that this stock actually went up to $2,555. I think this was a Hong Kong special. Hong Kong Fooey. Hong Kong Fooey, I tell you. Yeesh. So, special note, you know, it went from, what was it? It was 23 bucks over here, all the way to 2,555%. And of course, it was all, you know, proper valuation, of course. Nothing unusual there. No. Not at all. Anywho, when was that? I remember that. That was, wow, it was 2 years ago, doubles. Wow, that was so long ago. I thought it was like more recent than that. Yeah, but that was one hell of a run, huh? All right. So let's go back to the videotape. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles. And HKD forming somewhat of a cup and handle, but it's kind of bearish on this end right over here. So we can go ahead and say that maybe we got a head and shoulders pattern right here. Right. Which is probably the prevailing winds, but doubles, but maybe a cup and handle, but look at how it collapsed over here, which would kind of suggest that maybe it diluted. So I don't know. I don't trust it. I don't trust it right now. It don't look too good to me. HKD up 29%, $5.12 stock, 30% up 30%, 11 million float. Volume only 10 million, so like that. TOVX. Espresso Ice time, folks. Let's get this show on the road. Let's share. Come on now. Let's get some folks in here. Let's get more peoples in here. Please, thank you very much. Thank you. I wish you guys were having the espresso ice with me. It is delectable. Delish, I tell you. Delish. All right, so TOVX, $1.66, 33% up. Float on the heavy side, almost 17 million. Volume on the low side, almost 8 million. They announced positive outcome of Data and Safety Monitoring Committee. This was at 8 o'clock. Review of Phase 1B/2A clinical trial in allogeneic hematopoietic cell transplant recipients. 8 o'clock in the morning. So you had a little bit of a dead cat bounce. A little dead bed. You see right there, doubles. You see how the cat bounced? Look. A little dead cat. Little dead cat action right there. And then we'll do a little zoom in the room. It's trying to form a little cup. I don't know. We'll put it on a side chart. Why not? A side chart. TOVX. Side chart. Yeah. ELAB. Forming the descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Let's go check it out. It's trying to curl on up. Let's go to the 1 minute doubles. Let's see what's going on here on the 1 minute doubles. Let's go check it out. So indeed, it is trending upward. Let's get the other graffiti pencil activated. Here we go. It is trending upward. It's trying to break out of its descending wedge, which would be a bull reversal pattern. Yeesh. It is a bull reversal pattern, possibly. But we got the RSI in the mid zone over here, and it seems to be pulling towards the oversold area, which would suggest that the price action would continue to drop. So maybe we don't have a descending wedge. We'll see. This is a little cheapo stock. Volume is diminishing. So far, it's holding this trend line. We'll come back to you, ELAB. We'll see if you can do something nice for us. TOVX curling. curling, curl. Breaking VWAP, low volume. This candle has only 75,000 shares exchanging hands. TOVX, you're a little bit thick. A little thick with your float. A little thick. 17 million shares. Volume only 8 million. They did announce positive outcome of data and safety monitoring, blah, 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 blah. But you're thick. You're thick, I tell you. You're thick. So, side chart for you for now.
Side chart?
Yes, for now. Just for now, Doubles. Just for now. Just for now. Okay. Maybe we'll look at WHLR.
WHLR.
Sounds like a radio station, doesn't it? WHLR, the real estate equity REIT. Oh no. It popped up to $22 and then it dumped underneath VWAP and then it tried to break through VWAP and now it's back down again. So it needs to curl. But looks like it's got very little volume. This last candle only has 1,600 shares exchanging hands, and we got the VWAP right over here at the $18 level, and it's a little bit more expensive than I like to trade. So, you know, Doubles.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's like a meh. You know what I mean? I'm not feeling it. Wheeler, not feeling it. You did go up early in the morning. You did. You went up 61%. But since then, you've kind of gotten yourself downtown. You know what I mean? So, what are you going to do to entice me? What are you going to do to make it interesting for me? Are you going to start to run again? Huh? Get out of here. Go to your side chart. Go to your side chart. Get out of here. Wheeler, side chart. Side chart. Not impressive. No. EVGO. No. I don't like EVGO. Too much float. Too much. How about ATNF? Let's go check it out. No. Not enough volume. Oh, MLGO seems to be like a crowd favorite. People have been talking about it all day, and it did pop, but it's been dropping. So, I don't know. But it has been on a general uptrend for a while. So, let's go to a multi-day chart. Let's go to the 20-day chart, Doubles. And you can see that it has been pulling upward for several days. Right over here. Let's go and do the old trendaroo. But right now, if we go to the shorter time frame, it seems to have made a head and shoulders pattern. Do you see it, Doubles?
Yes.
Do you see the shoulder?
Ahead.
No, I want to do the other shoulder first. Shoulder. And then the cabeza. Head and shoulders. And it did a little flusheroonie right over here. Now, can it hold? Can it hold the trend line? It is below VWAP. Put it on a side chart just because it ran and because a lot of people are talking about it. But E-Lab's curling, folks. Oh, my. That descending wedge actually broke out into a bull pattern. We got resistance at 15.2. 15.2. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Will it break through? Resistance was right there. It's pushing. It's pumping. It's kind of pumping.
Yeah.
Got news. Up 80%. It broke through. Ladies and gentlemen, the humanity of it, 81%.
81%.
Can we get some acceleration? Can we get a squeezy, nice and easy? We are, of course, going to see a potential squeeze of the Banana Republic shorts. Yay. Speedo Republic, we call them. Let's go. 84% acceleration. Ignited. Let's go. Come on. You can go faster than that. Come on. Speed it up. Your float's 8 million. Your volume's 129 million. You got news. 86%.
86%.
The news. A subsidiary of Levi Labs, Inc. expands patent portfolio with 2 new filings. And it has to do with another flavor of the day, treatment for obese patients with the GLP-1, blah, 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 whatever. It's like the Ozempic type of thing there. You know what I mean? Doubles.
Yeah.
That thing right there, the Ozempic thing. Yeah, something like that. But it broke out of the descending wedge. You could see it even more clearly on the 1 minute Doubles.
1 minute.
And of course, we drew the little descending wedge, and it did what it was supposed to do. But now it's in a channel, Doubles. It's in a channel.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and, folks, we got a little bit of a runner. Let's share the stream. Whenever there's a runner, share the stream. Whenever there's a bagger, share the stream. Whenever we're on the stream, share the stream. Let's go, baby. Let's grow this so we can get you more content. Hey, did you catch the video yesterday? It was an interesting one. It had to do with quantum computing. Quantum computing on the show. Coach Nick, Money Matters. It's in the evening, folks, usually around 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes we do it a little bit earlier, right, Doubles? Sometimes. A lot of interesting stuff. A lot of folks joined us. So you might want to set your notifications on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. All right. It looks like it's making a play to test the high of day, which is 15, almost 16 cents. Let's pull it down over here. Let's take a look at what's going on over here. Yes, let's go. Let's go, Doubles. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's trying. It's trying. It's lost a little bit of momentum. If it can stay above here, maybe we get another leg. Maybe this is just a little pullback and a push upward. RSI is not quite in the overbought area in the 1 minute. It's close, but not there. This candle is fighting to turn green. The volume is definitely dropping. No. Top tail, no. It is pulling back. Will it hold this level? I don't want to switch to another stock, Doubles. You know why?
Yep.
You know what happens when I switch, right? All of a sudden, these stocks reverse. You know, it's like almost like, you know.
Then you get upset.
I get upsetty spaghetti, but it looks like it's actually pulling back. So, all right, it's pulling back to the 9 EMA. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you.
Watch it curl up. That would be hilarious.
TOVX. I got it on the side chart, Doubles. I got it on the side chart. I got my peeper on it. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. On the 1 minute, it actually formed a bottom tail red. So if it makes a bottom tail green, I'll go back to it. But TOVX. Kind of forming a bit of a cup on low volume. Low volume. Top tail. I don't know. Back to ELAB. Going back to it. Back to ELAB. Is it forming a bottom tail? Oh, my. But it's on very low volume, Doubles. Very low volume. 16,000. And it ended up being a doji candle. I don't like doji candles. That's indecisiveness. I don't like that.
We don't like that.
I want some acceleration here, and it's not just doing that. It's really very low volume. Look at this, 380,000. I don't know. Not really moving the way I want it to. So, I don't know. Doubles. Peggy Sue is in the house. Peggy. Oh, Peggy, what do you do? What are you doing?
What do you say?
What do you say? What do you think you do? Hey, gotta know the respect. Are you going in the downtrend over here? It's trying to break the downtrend, kind of, sort of, but there's just not a lot of volume on it. I don't know. You got a long way to go. You got a lot of resistance. You got resistance. You got resistance over here on the 200. You got resistance on the VWAP. I don't know. I don't know. The prevailing wind is a triple top. I mean, you know, you got problems, yo. TOVX curling. TOVX currently up 46%. They had news. They announced positive outcome of Data and Safety Monitoring Committee review of phase 1A, 1B, 2A clinical trial in allogeneic hematopoietic cell transplant recipients. 8 o'clock in the morning. Float is heavy, 17 million. Volume low, 10 million. So, like that. Like that, Doubles. Like that. INV. Let's check that one out. That's a new one. INV. INV looks terrible. Forget about it. Forget about it. ADD. What's the story with it? Up 20%. Insider buying yesterday. Float 11 million. Volume low 367,000. Forget about it. Not interesting at all. TOVX. Curling ever so slightly. Pumping ever so slightly. A little bit. We're going to have some significant resistance right around here. And then, of course, resistance at 204, the high of the day. It's tickling this level right here, which is a resistance at 195. 195. Can we get over $2? Can we get over $2? Currently up 54%. 54%. Float is heavy, 16.9 million. Volume is low, 11.3 million. Top tail, boring. Boring. Very boring. I don't like stuff like that. I really don't. Let's see. What else we got? CTNT.
CTNT.
Hit the scanner early in the morning. Let's see. CTNT. Like that. I need some espresso doubles. I need espresso doubles. I do. What's this garbage over here?
Yeah.
Garbage. Looks like garbage over here. Look at that. Not trustworthy. Look at that. No. Nah. Forget about it. Forget it. Back to TOVX. Trying to curl again. TOVX. Heavy float. Bunch of top tails. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles.
5 minute.
Looking to see if there's a confluence. Yeah. Is there a confluence? Top tail on the 5-minute. It would need to reclaim it, and it's moving too slow. So, I don't know. Not feeling it. Not feeling it at all. No. What else we got? HKD. HKD. With the head and shoulders pattern continues to pull downward over here. Continues to pull downward. But I got to tell you, I really love doing this. I want to go to the 3-year. Why don't stocks do what they used to do a couple of years ago? Like go from $20 to $2,555. Why don't they do that anymore? What's wrong with this market? They don't make the stonks like they used to. I remember when I was a child. That was last year. Yeah. TOVX. I'm going to leave it on the 3-year just out of curiosity. All right, that's a 3-year chart. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles.
5 minute.
All right. It's a little thick on the float. It's got a top tail. Forget about it. What are we looking at over here? MLGO is just selling off. What's happening? What's going on? What is this world up to? My gosh, it formed a head and shoulders pattern, and it just keeps selling off, and it broke the downtrend. I am saddened right now. Very, very sad. MLGO, 35-cent stock, currently up only 14% at this point. It is a low floater, doubles. It's a low floater, 2.4 million. A lot of volume, 37 million, but you can see it's selling off. There was news on October 1st of insider buying, but it is now at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. So, nah. No. The market's been kind of like come see, come saw today, you know? Doubles.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been mushad. A little mushy, a little mushy. Not really exciting. Nothing really, piquing my interest. TOVX forming a cup and handle. Yeah. Here's your cup. There's your handle. But you got a lot of top tails. No. Anyway, let's see if there's something else. Is there something else? Is there something? I don't know. I'm kind of concerned here. I'm not seeing anything I like. ADD.
Yes.
ADD. All right. Insider buying reported on October 2nd. Float 12 million. Volume 463,000. Not enough volume. Oh my. ELAB. It sold off. It's trying to come back. It broke out on that descending wedge, so it did what it was supposed to do, but then when it broke out, it hit resistance at around 16 cents, and since then it broke its neck. Now it's starting to curl back up again. It's curling up again. Can we have another descending wedge? Could we? Let's see. Could we have another one of these joints right here? Maybe. Could we? I don't know. Ooh, I messed up my little beak. My beak is broken. Doubles. Don't pay attention. Listen, I'm gonna put a little highlight over here. Don't pay attention to the fact that the beak is broken. Don't see the spot right here, right over here. See it? See how it? See this? Don't pay attention. Okay? It's just sipping some water. It's a little duck. Quack quack quack. There's really nothing going on, so I gotta fill some time, ladies and gentlemen. Bear with me. You're only gonna hear silliness like that when there's not a lot of stuff running. Yes, ELAB up 75%. 75%. It does have news, folks. It is a 15-cent stock. That'll make it very volatile. Has a lot of volume. 143 million shares. 143 million shares. Float 8.5 million. So it's positioned quite okie dokie in an okie dokie way. It has news. It has stuff having to do with obese patients, GLP-1 receptors, and of course that's been a buzzword for the past couple of days. So we've seen some stonks that have moved with that type of news. Could this be another descending wedge, bull reversal? Could we get another move up over here? I mean, it's quite choppy, Devils. Quite choppy. Yes. And ELAB does have a history of not holding up too well, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We will see, Doubles. We will see whether or not ELAB gives us another leg or if it becomes a Flushosaurus Rex. It could be also a head and shoulders pattern, right? Head, shoulder, shoulder. So if it don't hold this level, maybe it goes Flusharoonie. You know what I mean? Unclear, unsafe. I don't know. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Anything. Is there DBL moms? Go out into the Serengeti and get some raw stonks for us, will you? Some raw stonks. Raw stonks. Come on, the Indelible Pride is hungry. They want some stonkers. Some stonkers. BKSY. That's something new. Let's check it out. BKSY. Oh my, it might be testing a high. Let's go put a little line over here. Let's go get the graffiti pen activated. Right over here, 570 is a high. It's not really moving very quickly. It's formed somewhat of a double bottom over here, a double bottom on the 1 minute. Let's take a look at it on the 5 minute. But there's just not a lot of volume. It's a top tail. Oh no, we don't like top tails, Doubles. We like the bottom tails. Bottom tails, bottom tails. It's all about the bottom tails. Double bottoms are good too. I like that too. I like it. I like it. But this is not making me happy because it's a top tail. Up 9%. BKSY up 9%. Black Sky wins 5-year NGA Luno, a contract valued up to $290 million to monitor global economic activity and military capability. Float 12 million, volume 260,000. I'm kind of curious as to why this is not moving. Maybe the stock has a history of doing flusharoons. Could it be?
Could it be?
Could it be? Why are you not running with such a Shamaxi title, huh? Have you been a bad stock in the past? Have you? Let's see. Let's go check out the 1 year Doubles. Oh my, it broke its neck. Look at this poor stock. It tripped and it fell down a cliff. And then it fell down another cliff. And it popped and it dropped and it popped and it dropped. Oh, so that's why nobody's paying attention to you. No. I see. You've been a naughty, naughty stonk. Okay. We'll put you on a side chart just because you got a good story. But I don't trust you. No. Back to ELAB. Doubles. We're going to go back to ELAB. ELAB. The penny stonk of the morning. The penny stonk of the morning. Oh no. Let's get rid of some of these lines. Too many lines, Doubles. Let's clear the drawings.
Yes.
Let's clear the drawings. You know what? I don't want to clear all the drawings. I want to clear some of the drawings. Let's clear these drawings. Yeah. Let's do a zoom in the room. Let's bring it over here. And Doubles, you see what I see, don't you? Yeah. A double top.
Double top.
Or we could even call it a head and shoulders. So maybe what we got is a bear pattern here. We got a head over here, a shoulder over here, right there, a shoulder over there, and that is bearish. It is holding at the 9 EMA. I like that. That's a good thing, but we need the 9 EMA to start pointing upward, Doubles. All right, it's trying, it's trying. It's going to have resistance right over here. Can it break the resistance at around 15 cents? 15 cents. Let's go fix our drawing a little bit. Let's go and do one of these joints right here. We had a channel over here of resistance and support. Now it is clearly resistance and the price action's below it. We need to see the price stay above the 9 EMA. We got a lot of top tails over here. It's trying to reclaim the wick. It looks like a head and shoulders on the 5 minute. Let's look at it on the 1 minute doubles.
1 minute.
And on the 1 minute, you could see it's a disgusting head and shoulders pattern. What are you doing? ELAB, you have news. You're a cheapo stock. Come on. Come on. RSI is curling upward. It is in the center area, so it could break down or break up either way. So we got some indecisiveness going on. The prevailing wind seems to be a head and shoulders pattern. However, it does have news, and it has been moving ever so slightly upward, and it is the leading runner of the morning so far in a day that has not seen much significant running. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Not much. Time
Not
for some
much.
espresso ice. Yeah. Okay, we got a bit of a bottom tail green on very low volume. You can see that there's not much going on with this candle. 486,000 shares. It's going to have significant resistance at the shoulder level over here. It'll have significant resistance at 1520. Significant resistance at 1590. But we're going to watch it because nothing else is really moving too well. No. Everything is going very slow. All right. I'm getting bored doubles. TOVX.
TOVX.
Forming that cup and handle on the 1 minute.
1
Y'all
minute.
can see it, can't you? Can't you see the cup and handle bull pattern forming doubles? I'm going to put a little shoicle around it. Look.
Looka.
A little cup and handle. Cup and handle. I don't like the float on this one. 17 million. Too thick. Volume very low. 15 million. It does have news. It has news about, I'm not going to repeat it because the words are too big for me. But it's like some kind of therapeutic type of a stonk that has news. Let's leave it at that. Yeah, positive outcome. I'll say that. Positive outcome on data and safety monitoring committee. That's what I'll say. But it's not moving very well. Top tails on its handle. So, not enough volume to move it. Not enough. Oh, wait a minute. ELAB is testing some resistance levels. Oh my. Let's go to ELAB. Oh, it's in the channel doubles. Oh my. Channel time. Can it get some volume? It's moving. Oh, 1.1 million. It's pushing doubles. Oh, could we have a squeezy coming up? Let's go. Big resistance at 15.9. We are now up 84%. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a share party going on. Let's share the stream. Could we get a squeezy nice and easy? Could we see the downfall of the Banana Republic? Those Speedo-wearing fools. Come on now. Squeezy nice and easy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Give me some volume. Almost 2 million on this candle. 2 million on the 1 minute chart doubles. RSI is not quite in the overbought area. The candles are starting to increase. The volume candles are starting to increase. We need a lot of volume. Oh, no, very choppy. Does this double top? Remember, we do have that head and shoulders pattern over here. Could this have been a bull trap? That would stink. I don't like bull traps. I don't like it. No. Come on. Stay up. Gotta stay up. Gotta stay above 15.2. Come on. You can do it. Maybe you can't, but we're gonna root for you. Volume dropped dramatically. No. Well, that was like, yo, ELAB, yo. This is what I don't like about this stonk. Does this type of baloney all the time. I don't like it. I'm gonna have some espresso ice. I'm getting upset.
He's getting upset.
I'm getting upsetty spaghetti. I'm getting upset. Listen, ELAB, don't make me give you a piece of my mind, because it's not beyond me. I'll get the belt. I'll get it. I will. And put it on my pants. I will. I tell you. I will. Don't make me do it.
Don't make him do it.
Man.
Man.
I don't know. Double top now. Look. Doubles. Double top.
Okay.
Come on. Forget it. You're no fun. Elab, you're a party pooper. What's the saying, Doubles? What's the saying?
Every party needs a pooper. That's why they invited you.
Elab, party pooper.
Yep.
Party pooper. Back to TOVX. I'm not in love with the stock. The float is too heavy. But we do have a cup and handle. A lot of top tails right over here.
Yeesh.
We don't like the top tails doubles, do we?
We like the bottom tail.
We're all about the bottom tails, folks. If there was a sale on bottom tails, we'd buy them all up. Bottom tails. I'm telling you, bottom tails. Currently up 50%.
Yeesh.
It had the news with the blah, 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 blah committee, blah, 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 therapeutic safety, blah, blah, blah. Stop showing off, bushy tail. Stop it.
They just had positive
I am the
outcomes.
star. I'm the star. Get my green M&Ms, doubles. Get my green M&Ms.
He's the star.
I want my white rose petals. Oh, my. Getting a phone call. Getting a phone call while on stream. I can't take it, unfortunately. I can't take it. Can't take it right now, but I will at some juncture. I will. I promise I will. Let me respond to that fella via message. Let me respond via message on live stream. We'll call you back. How about that? All right, we'll call you back. Yes, top tails. Anyone? No, we don't like top tails. We like the bottom tails. Bottom tails. Elab went down. I don't know. Something new, maybe. Something new? PW? Not a lot of volume. It is currently up 27%. Float 2.6 million. Volume only 5,000. I don't know. That don't float my boat too much. It don't. I tell you. HKD trying to come out of a head and shoulders pattern.
Yep.
HKD. Bearish head and shoulders pattern. Broke the downtrend. Doubles. Broke it. Overall had somewhat of a cup and handle, but look at this significant drop in price. So that doesn't make me feel warm and fuzzy. No. Even though it's like 98 degrees. Espresso ice.
Yep.
Gotta stay hydrated, doubles.
Stay hydrated.
Laptop says TOVX is crossing the MACD. And the RSI is rising. Let's go check it out again.
RSI.
Oh, Daily Retrospective had mentioned ELAB and Bobo. I'm getting drowsy watching these charts. Me too. How come I'm just getting these messages? Why is that?
I don't know.
Why is that? What?
They probably just put them up.
I don't know. I mean, I want to see these messages when they come in.
Yeah,
I want to say hello to everybody. Hello, Bobo. Hello, Daily. Hello, Laptop. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, they just came in.
Let's see. Let's go to TOVX. TOVX. The float is heavy. That's the problem. It does have a cup and handle. It's in the on the 5 minutes on the overbought area somewhat. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. 1 minute it's not. So maybe we get a little test of resistance right over here. TOVX currently up 55%. 16 million float. 16 million volume. Volume's coming up. That's good. And, of course, that's the one with the allogeneic hematopoietic cell transplant recipient. 8 o'clock in the morning. That's the news. Maybe. We got you on the side chart. EVGO, I think, is a heavy floated stock. I'm showing 99 million on that one, but we can check it out. Why not? Let's check it out. EVGO. Really? Okay, we'll check it out. All right. Okie dokie. We will check that out. We'll check it out. Yes. Okay, we will check that out. Okay, so getting some information here. All right, so we got a little bit of a breakout on EVGO, a little bit on the heavy side, but it is trending upward. Let's go ahead and put a trend line on it.
Trend line.
And we're looking at it on the 1 minute doubles.
1 minute.
RSI is not in the overbought area just yet. Volume candles are green. We got the larger candle green. That's good. Moving ever so slightly. We got a little bit of volume on this 35,000. Float on it, I'm showing 99 million. Volume 3.3 million. It received a conditional 1.5 billion loan to expand EV charging network. This was at 8:53, so it had some news. It had some news. You know what? I'm going to put it on the side chart.
Side chart.
Doubles, I'm going to put it on the side chart. EVGO. EVGO. Here we go. Here we go. EVGO. It's moving.
Yep.
Ever so slightly, 29%. It's going to move slowly because of the volume. It has good news. Could be choppy. We'll put it on the side chart. We'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. ELAB is trying a game. Let's see if it can break through this time. ELAB.
Yes.
ELAB, I tell you. ELAB. Let's take a look at it. Let's see. CNY. Laptop CNY. No, CNM. Let's check that one out. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. All right. That's another heavy floated one, huh? Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Not ready yet, it sounds like, huh? Not yet. Let's go back to Peggy.
Peggy.
All right. All right. ELAB. ELAB is toying with the higher day.
Yep.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Could we have a push and a push? A pump and a pump? Could we? 85%. Float, 8.5 million. Volume, 159 million. Does this triple top? Does it triple top? Do we have a top over here, a top over here, or a top over here? Or do we have ignition? I have a feeling we might have a squeezy. Come on now.
Easy.
It's trending up, Doubles. I don't want to say nothing.
Yep.
I don't want to say nothing, but it's trending up. I'm just saying. Ever so slowly. Ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. It's pushing. Can it pump? Can it pump? Wait a minute. 87.
Wait a minute.
Is this going to be a bull trap?
Bull trap.
Come on. You got 1.5 million in volume right now.
Volume.
1.6 million in volume right now.
million.
Don't top tail me. Don't top tail me. Come on. Let's go. Reclaim the wick. Do it. Do it. I know that there's a head and shoulders over here. I get it. I know that this could be a double top, a triple top. I get it. But I want to be positive for the indelibles. I want to be positive. I also want to be realistic, though. You know, Doubles. I mean, if it's not going to go, it's not going to go.
It's not gonna go.
Top tail? Really? Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you doing? ELAB, you're pissing me off. Wasn't there a stock like that yesterday that kept doing that, right? And then it ultimately ran. Do you remember that?
I think so.
Yeah, I don't remember what it was, but it was, you know, it was a stonk. It did something similar to this. I mean, it's trending up. Can it hold this uptrend? I don't know. I don't know.
Yep.
EVGO, heavy stock with news, moving. EVGO currently up 31%. It's going to be a slow mover, but it is moving up. It's moving up. 99 million float, volume 3.6 million. Maybe it could do something. Who knows? Who knows? I tell you, 32%, 32%. EVGO, 32% with news that it received the conditional $1.5 billion loan to expand EV charging network. Yes. Do I have some additional information on it? Maybe. EVGO receives conditional commitment for a DOE loan. I guess that's the Department of Energy? I guess that's what it means, right? Guarantee of up to $1.5 billion to accelerate build-out of public fast charging across the U.S. That's the news. Volume only 3.6 million. Float 99 million. Up 32%. 32%. Laptop mentioned it. We'll keep an eye on you, fella. Even though you're thick. You got some news. It's interesting. So we'll keep an eye on you. Yes. All right. All right. Let's go to TOVX and see what's going on with that. TOVX. The cup and handle is forming into a double top over here. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like this, and I don't like that. Because that could be one of these. You know what I mean? I don't like that. The VWAP's right over here. We'll draw a line where VWAP is, right over here, doubles. VWAP. We would need it to hold above VWAP. This is looking kind of bearish. Let's get rid of the cycle. Let's get rid of the cycle because it's cluttering the situation, kind of, sort of, you know? Yeah, let's zoom in here. Yeah, see the double top doubles? You see it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We don't like that. Let's take a look at the 5-minute doubles. 5-minute. Zoom in the room, and you actually have a triple top on that one there. You got a triple top going on over here. I don't know. Kind of bearish. I don't know. Heavy float. I don't know. ELAB trying to curl again, but it's moving slowly. What was the stock yesterday, DBL Moms? Do you remember? Do you remember what the stonk was yesterday that ran and it pulled back? Do you remember, DBL Moms? What was it? What was it? What was it, Double Moms? What was it? Do you remember? Do you remember? The stock that moved like ELAB? Do you remember? And it was pre-market. Same type of movement, you know? Same thing. It was like not very not very authoritative, but I think it ultimately ran, right? Didn't it? DBL Moms? I'm pretty sure it did. If I wish I could remember the stock. I forget them so fast. They're not memorable, you know? They weren't parabolic, you know? Like, when they're parabolic, it's, like, super interesting. But when they're not parabolic, I don't know. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's like, like that, you know? Was it, I don't know. It wasn't Duo. What was it? Yeah, tell me what they were.
The 4 baggers we had was API.
Yeah, not that one.
ICCT.
Maybe. Keep going.
KXIN.
No, it wasn't that one.
WHLR.
It was ICCT.
Yeah.
That was the one that moved like this yesterday. ICCT.
Yeah.
ICCT. That's the one that moved like that. Right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, see how it had the double top over here and it broke out, blah, blah, blah. And it was struggling to go up. It was this was the stock. Daily retrospective HWH.
Yeesh.
Let's check it out. Consolidating in a channel, low volume. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. It is in a channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's in a channel. It needs to break out of this channel. It needs volume. I guess you could call it a demand zone, and then of course your supply zone would be a power, right around power, right there, right there. And right there, that would be like the supply zone if it can coil. It needs volume. Bobo said yes, it was ICCT. Yep, it was, right? And it ultimately did. It ultimately did break out, doubles. You know that? It ultimately did break out. Let's take a look. Let's take a lookie. Let's take a lookie at what it looked like yesterday, because I'm trying to fill some time, folks, because nothing's moving.
Yeesh.
We're getting upset over here.
Yeesh.
BKSY is trying to move, so I might have to jump into it. But you can see that it did actually move quite significantly before it did the flusheroo, right? So will ELAB do the same thing? Is it going to, like, loiter in a certain area, then ultimately break out and then do a flusheroo? It has a history of doing flusheroos, doubles. It certainly does. I'm not saying that history repeats itself, but... BKSY.
BKSY.
Let's go. Check it out. Folks, let's share the stream. Let's share it. Let's get some more peoples in here. The more peoples we got, the more content we can put out for y'all. The more of everything we could do. I'm getting a bunch of dings from this fella. I told him I was on a live stream. Nice fella, but I'm on a live stream.
Yeesh.
I'm streaming live. Can't chat right now. Can't do it. I just can't. I got my peoples. I got my indelible pride. Where are my green M&Ms? Doubles,
Yes.
Please. The green ones.
The green one.
I am not a diva. I am not. And the white rose petals. DBL Moms. Bushy tail specialist. My white rose petals. Where are they? They should be at my feet. Yes, as I wear my regal lion. I don't know. What's that coat that the regal dudes wear? What's that called?
A robe.
A robe, yeah, my bathrobe. Yes. And yeah, and my little fuzzy booties for my feet because it's cold. It's cold this morning. The air conditioning is colding me. It's colding me, I tell you. Anyway, all right. So what do we got going on over here? BKSY continues to grind upward. I'll give you some info on it. It's not really that schmexy, doubles, no? I'm not really feeling it. But anyway, all right. Up 12%. Okay. Float 12 million. Volume 375. Supposedly they won a $290 million, what is it? A contract valued at $290 million to monitor global economic activity and military capability. You think that would make it run? It's not running. So, I don't know. Side chart for you. All right. Side chart for you. EVGO, heavy floated stock with news, has been moving up ever so slightly, currently up around 33%. It's going to be susceptible to doing flusheroos periodically because it's got a heavy float of 100 million shares. Wait a minute. I'm going to make it sound better. 99 million, 99.8 million. Let's call it that way. I don't want to say 100. I don't want to say 100 million, even though it's kind of like 100 million. I'm going to say 99.8 million. That's what I'm going to say. Volume, 4.7 million. No volume, very low volume. Good news, it received a conditional $1.5 billion loan to expand EV charging network from the Department of Energy. But it's a conditional one. You know what I mean? But I mean, I don't know. If it had a smaller float, this sucker could have flew, I tell you. Laptop says MLGO. Let's see if it recovered. MLGO was kind of like going downtown. You know?
Down.
It's been on a general uptrend, though. You know, it's been chatted about quite a bit in social media. Yes, social media. And it is trying to break that downtrend. Maybe we get a descending wedge out of it. We need to see it break this downtrend over here. It's trying to do that. Let's get rid of this uptrend line because it's no longer valid.
Yes.
Let's get rid of it. We don't need it. Okay. All right, we already know that there's a bearish head and shoulders overall. The flush already occurred. It's holding at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute doubles. It's trying to curl. Let's see if it curls. We're looking at the 9 EMA. Let's zoom in the room. You can see the 9 EMA is trying to curl. It's trying to curl. So we'll keep an eye on it. Daily retrospective with WKSP. WKSP.
Yes.
Oh, 46 cents. What's the story with Worksport? Worksport commences direct sale to U.S. government departments, securing first orders with national agency. Float, 24 million. Volume, only 123,000. Dun, dun, dun. It needs volume, but it is moving somewhat. Up only 10%. I mean, nothing's really, like, I don't know. I'm like, so bored. Aren't you guys bored? I mean, if it wasn't for my really bad jokes, what else would there be? I mean, I'm just saying. What else would there be? Oh, my. We overstayed our welcome. We have to go to our live stream now, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and do what this young man says, please?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Share. I'm going to keep an eye on ELAB, even though I don't trust it. You know, doubles, you know?
Share.
And if you're not following us on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, you should. You really should. At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're also on Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. We do have a link in the description and in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $1.99 for the Discord. We are going to continue our live stream on the Discord where we get a lot more technical and involved. We talk about how we find the stocks, what we do with the stocks, how we trade them, the different types of tools that we use to determine our entry and exit points, all of that good stuff. And, of course, we give the Discord early alerts on every single stock that we have coming in. And, of course, there's monitoring from 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 8 p.m. in the evening. Who does that, doubles?
Nobody.
Except us. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we love you. Make a lot of money because I am Coach Nick Money with my compatriot
DBL Nicks in the house.
The Rainmaker. Yes. And the Bushy Tail Specialist, the one, the only, DBL Moms. Hey! Yeah, that's the story. All right. We love you. We'll see you in the Discord.